Hello everyone! We have recently introduced over 30 new dry-applied color paint protection films, and many people have been asking about the proper method of installing them. In this comprehensive video, you'll see how our Color PPF is applied to the rear fender of a vehicle. Let's get started! For today's installation, we're using our Silver Lake Blue Color PPF, a stunning shade that stands out with its supreme metallic finish and brilliant shimmer. First, tape the film from the top, then cut it according to the shape of the rear fender. Run your hand along the panel to trace its outline, leaving an extra 5 to 10 centimeters of material around the edges. You can use a safety cutter for this step. Roll back the remaining film and set it aside. The tools you'll need include a heat gun, dish soap, a spray bottle filled with water, non-woven cloth, masking tape, tucking tools, a sharp utility knife, and a squeegee. Begin by applying masking tape along the edge near the fender. This serves two important purposes. It prevents film-on-film contact, which may cause tearing. We demonstrated this in another video. It protects the car's paint and the already installed panels during trimming. Apply tape along the edges of all areas that will not be covered with the PPF. Next, prepare the application fluid, pour a small amount of dish soap onto the non-woven cloth, spray it with water to dilute, and then wipe it evenly across the surface of the fender. If some spots aren't fully covered, you can spread it by hand. Do not apply this solution to recessed areas or edges, as it may cause the film to lift. The purpose of this solution is to temporarily reduce adhesion, making it easier to reposition or lift the film during installation. Now remove the liner from the film and apply it onto the panel according to the shape. If wrinkles appear, simply lift and reapply. Use the squeegee to press and smooth the film into place. If you see bubbles that won't come out with the squeegee, avoid using force. Instead, lift the film back slightly to release the air, then reapply. You can even use your fingers to press the film down and remove small imperfections. Squeegee outward from the center to get rid of all the air pockets. Once this is done, it is time to work on the edges. This step requires patience. Trim the excess film along the edges, leaving 1-2 centimeters of extra material to make the next steps easier. Carefully use the squeegee or tucking tool to press the film into the panel gaps. Now use the knife to trim away excess film. Work slowly with a steady hand, keeping the knife at an angle so that it does not leave any marks on the surface underneath. Now use the tucking tool again to secure any remaining material inside the gaps. gap along the window is quite narrow, securing the PPF to the edge can be more challenging. In this case, gently lift the rubber trim and tuck the film inside. This helps prevent the edges from lifting over time. Now let's move on to the fuel cap. Trim the PPF along its edge and remove any excess film. Press the edges firmly with your finger or a squeegee to secure them. Apply masking tape around the fuel cap. Place the film over it, then press and smooth it out with a squeegee. Lift and reapply if you see fingers or bubbles. Once done, trim the film using a knife and remove the excess. Press the film along the edge with your finger to secure it. Open the fuel cap to tuck the material neatly, ensuring proper adhesion. Remove the masking tape and you're done. This is actually one of the easier sections to install. Did you notice that no application fluid was used on the fuel cap? That's because it's a smaller area, so it is easy to lift and adjust the film here. And now let's test one of the key features of our Color PPF, its self-healing top coat. After adding scratches to the film, we applied heat to it and the marks disappeared instantly. This heat-activated self-healing ability of our PPF keeps your car's finish looking new and flawless. Here's the final result. The Silver Lake Blue Color PPF is installed seamlessly, adding a rich metallic shine that completely transforms the vehicle while offering long-lasting protection.